let's look at what we did in the previous program. This brings us into the designer mode of Xojo. Firstly, we changed the title property of the window. Next, we added a label control to the window, gave it some text, and changed its width and height, and then changed the font size property. Next, we added 3 button controls to the window and changed their width and height, and then changed the font size property and gave each a name that reflected their purpose. Next, we pressed the triangle at the top of the page. This starts the process of compiling our program into native code that will run our program. Now we are in run mode. However, when we click on each button, nothing happens. We need to add code behind each button to make them work. To make the buttons function, we clicked on each button in the designer. We then clicked on the pressed event to open the event window. In the pressed event window, we programmatically added a message box control with a text message to the program. The message box control sends a message to the screen. When we press the triangle at the top of the screen again, this begins the process of compilation. This takes us from the design to the run stage. In the run stage is our finished product, a simple but workable Xojo program. In the exit button's pressed event, we add the word quit. This is a reserved word that has special meaning to the computer. It tells Xojo to take us back to the designer mode. When we click the exit button, we go back to the designer. To sum up, Xojo works on a paradigm called event-driven programming. Nothing will work on our program until the user does something, such as press a button. In all our future programs, we will add controls to our window, change their properties, and use code behind each control to make them do what we need them to do.